to meet these.
No, I mean it.
Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas.
Okay, did someone leave their Find My Phone on?
San Francisco, Mr. Wachowski. Are you enjoying the clam chowder?
It's the government whack job that keeps trying to kill us. Unsuccessfully. Nice of you to swing by on your way to Comic-Con.
Yeah, what are you wearing?
It's a flight suit. Designed to modulate my body temperature and reduce drag.
Yeah, and yet you still are one.
Ooh, good one. You are catching fire, Thomas. Oh, and speaking of heat, I see you've taken a lover. Does she have a name, or should we just call her Collateral Damage?
Hey, watch your mouth. Unless you want a little more of what I gave you earlier.
Punched him in the face.
Oh, you punched him right in the face. It was awesome.
The time for talking is over. It's time to push buttons.
Your flying eggs are pretty impressive, Mr. Eggman. But let's face it, you'll never catch me.
Confidence. A fool's substitute for intelligence.
That's not good. Sonic, you got the super speed and everything, but bad, you know? Totally defenseless. Probably gonna get blown up.
Pretty much, yeah.
Don't worry. I know exactly what to do.
I was not expecting that. But I was expecting not to expect something, so it doesn't count.
Tom. Glad you're here. Could use some help. Old Bessie's about to give birth.
Can I give you one genius piece of advice? Don't run. It'll only hurt more if you do. And it's bad for your joints. They proved it.
All right, Eggman. You want to get fast? Let's get fast.
The hard way it is. That was an illegal left, by the way.
So, here we are again. We've been through so much together. Now you understand why there's a psychotic robot doctor chasing a supersonic blue hedgehog. Want to know how it ends? Yeah, me too. to me before.